Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm from Chandigarh.
My name is Nandini Dhoni. She's Priyadarshini Kolia and she's Janvi. We three are sisters and we are from Haldwani, Uttarakhand.
This is Kiran. We are from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर पायल भट्ट है. मैं गुजरात के वाकानेर टाउन से आई हुई हूँ.
I'm Himansh and I'm from Varanasi.
My wife, she's into these stars and all that stuff. I am totally not into this, but she wanted to come here, and I accompanied her to this place, and this is very fascinating what I saw, and I think some amount of interest has arisen inside me towards astronomy.
Basically, I was interested in astronomy beforehand, so my Google feed is actually filled with these things. So it was a feed that Starscape is organizing astrotourism in Uttarakhand. So I basically got to know about this from the Googles.
We are here as we have keen interest in astronomy and we love to read about space.
Okay, I was part of this astronomy club back in college, and all my mates there, they told me about Starscapes and how it's handling things, and they told me of this event. So I've come here from Delhi. I did not follow astronomy as a profession, but I followed my other passion, which is geography. But I'm interested in astronomy, so yeah, came here to rekindle all those aspirations.
यहाँ पे मर्चेंडीज का स्टॉल लगा हुआ है, एक्टिविटी स्टॉल है, रॉकेट एक्टिविटी हो रही है, हाइड्रो रॉकेट एक्टिविटी भी है और हम लोगों ने सूर्य दर्शन भी किया. साथ साथ में हम लोगों ने रात को स्टार गेजिंग किया और जो नेकेड आई से हम देख सकते हैं वही स्टार हम लोगों को टेलीस्कोप से दिखा है और बहुत बड़े अच्छे लेंस से हमने देखे जो सामान्य तरह से हम लोग नहीं देख सकते. वो स्टार कैप्स के सारी टीम ने हमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से गाइड किया. लेट नाइट को भी हम लोगों ने चंद्र दर्शन किए, चंद्रमा की सरफेस देखी, स्कॉर्पियो देखा, नेकेड आइज से हमने मिल्की वे देखी. बहुत अच्छा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
At night at around 1 or 2 o'clock I came here for shooting the stars. So it was a very wonderful experience that time too.
But to know more about many things and like seeing the celestial bodies, the sun, everything is so cool. And for as she wants to mostly build her career in it, so it's actually good for us.
There was a session yesterday. We saw many constellations and stars, nakshatras and all, and we were told some history also around them. Some their Greek names, Indian names and all those things. It was cool.
Also, I got to know many things like how many constellations are there, and basically what's the difference and how astrology varies from astronomy and where the astrology gets astronomy wrong. So basically astronomy is science, astrology is just faith, what we think. And yes, I will be excited to tell my friends about that and my experience.
बहुत अच्छी सुविधाएं हैं यहाँ पे. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें का भी ख्याल रखा गया है. हमारा जो अकोमोडेशन है वो बहुत ही सुंदर है और हम लोग पूरी तरह से संतुष्ट है. और साथ साथ में जो स्टार कैप्स की पूरी टीम है वो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली है, हमें बहुत ही मदद करती है. कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है और उन लोगों का जो नॉलेज है हम लोगों को जो सिखाना है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. यहाँ पे
see Saturn ring last night, moon of course, crescent moon, and we also witnessed Mars.
I went to George Museum. That was my basic information regarding India Geographical Survey and how the ancient people surveyed, and it is very knowledgeable and enlightenment activity it is actually.
So we usually do not get to know unless like we are searching and studying by ourselves in books, right? But here there is a practical knowledge. So I think that is pretty informative, and it should always be like such type of events should be there. So which are not only informative for kids but also for adults too.
In this city, I used to see stars using the star tracker, but here seeing the stars through telescope, it was a very good experience. Just one of a kind thing I've attended. Like I've not attended any such thing earlier.
This is the right platform for parents as well as the kids. So nowadays kids are missing a lot of this kind of activities. So this is the best one.
It is the first time I saw so many planets and celestial bodies from satellite, and it was very amazing.
And I think this is a very good initiative for people, like, to expose people like me to a new topic, a totally new dimension. So yeah, good work.
As far as I'm concerned, this is very beautiful experience for me because I have never in my life observed a clear sky, which I did just yesterday. And what I think that humans by natural have that subtle connection with the nature, and we are missing on that. So this is very beautiful program to put that into perspective, how it came from and how humans trace their culture actually.
So it was quite wonderful, quite informative about with the kids especially. So we are enjoying the whole experience.
कितना जोर से बोलो ना
बहुत